Assalamu alaikum, my friends. How are you? And I hope you all will be fine there. So, my friends, today we will start our new series. It will be about, I will explain you each and everything in detail from the beginning till the end. So, it will be about real time broadcast graphics, and that would be played by Reality Engine, and you can handle that graphics from Reality Hub. So, we will create that on Reality Engine, and then we will create that graphics, or we will operate that graphics from Reality Hub. So the thing is, I will create each and everything from the beginning, and I will show you each and every step how you can do that, and how you will create your own logic, because it's in engine content, and you will find that logic in engine, and there is no explanation about that. But I will create you from scratch so that you guys could have an idea how the logic is working. So the project is started now. Okay, first I will show you what we are going to do today. Actually, I'm not showing that. I will not say that we will cover that in one video, because I think to understand this, you guys need time, and I'll keep this in a part so it will be easier for you to understand. Uh, in this tutorial, we will go in animation section. It's about it will be about widget animation actually, and how the ticker animate, and how you set up the ticker actually. And then we will construct that after that. Okay, and I will explain you what is that and how it's working. First I will show you the thing we are going to create, and then I will show you other things. Okay. Sorry. Okay, the thing we are going to create, I'll show you right now. And you can add, this is our ticker actually, and you can add lines as much as you want, or you can say zero empty. So you will see now, it it will start from, it will soon start. You will see that line will start and will come up here. You see, it's working right now. See, but I was playing with that, so I make few adjustments. Like that. Actually, I need to adjust the position because it's going down. The picture position is here. So I need to put it in this. I need to keep the small size, but I just want to show you what we are going to create today. We will set in each and everything, and we will set up that. So this is our ticker logic that is running, going, and then we'll be back. So that we will start now from scratch. Okay, I just started and it will be back soon. I don't know why it's taking time. Usually first time I think it took it, but in the second time it's not took that time as it took now. Okay, first section that we have, it will be about logic. uh, the ticker we have, the ticker we have, we will create our ticker and we will animate that in first part, and the second part that we have in series, tutorial series, that will be about the ticker construction. Okay, so let's try to create our own widget setup. So I will create it, I will create new folder, and it will be about my ticker UMGs. Okay, I'll put this here because I would need that here. And texture. This, that would be our actually item. I will show you here. I will put that. So I need UMG. The first UMG will be about user interface, and you create from here. And it will be about our I could say that my ticker UMG. Okay, this will hold our ticker, main ticker, and one more UMG we need. It will be our item that we will construct on runtime. So my item UMG. Okay, these two we have, and we will start with this my sorry, with this my ticker UMG. So we will start from this, and let's start with our beginning part. So this is our actually canvas panel, and I want to rename it our screen. This will be our screen. Think like we are on the TV, and this is our screen that we are seeing, and in this part we will adjust our ticker. Okay, so we have our screen now. We need to set up our ticker. So we before that, the things I want to set up right now, I need the images so that I could make an animation on that. So above that, we will construct our ticker, the main ticker that we will have right now, that you are seeing that we will have a text, and it's changing, it will change on runtime. Okay, we will construct that. After that, first we would need an images to make an animation. I will create this image, and it will be our bg1. Okay, and I will set up that anchor here. No, sorry, here. Okay, so just zero that, so it will sit on here. This I want to set my ticket area actually. I think this area and this, just I'm adjusting randomly so that you can use your desired area you want it. Okay, in this area our ticker would be placed, this area. If you want more height, so you can increase it, but I think it's enough for now. And put this 0 0. Okay, our images here. Okay, this is our BG1. The reason I rename it BG1 because I will do animation, and it will have 3 layers. So this is our layer first, and it will be actually, I want to keep this in a blue color. This choose as you want, just I think is good. And Control C and Control V, rename it BG2, and I want to give the color like white. And then I want to create this another design and put it here. It will be our third layer. It will be our third layer. Or BG3, because we want to okay. So first this will come, and then this one in the last. So we will select all of them, and we will animate our render transform. So where is that? Okay, I need to create this before. Sorry. Okay, this animation is my sticker animation. Save it, and then key. I want to do that. I think it's, just take it out from the screen. It's 300. Key on it and scrub the line, timeline on. Okay, let's set this to 25. Okay, was 20 before. I want to keep it on 1 second, 2 second. Okay, I want to receive that 0. Let's see. So we will have this. Just we need to select our keyframe and we need to change the position so that we will have sequence animation. First the one is here, and after that the second one is here, so we will keep it. And we'll put the third one more further than this one, so here is good. Okay, let's play. Actually it's too slow. We haven't set our text right now. Okay, we need to set our horizontal box. So this animation is done. We need to create one horizontal box here, so take horizontal box. I have to make one more thing. Okay, the anchor is here. This horizontal box would be our sticker. Uh, sorry. I would say container. It will be easier, so we can set it later because sticker is not clear to me. I'm just renaming it with container. Okay, this container, actually what we should do, no, the container should not be the container has to be off the screen actually. Okay, now we need one more. Yeah, we need one more. Canvas down. It will called sticker. It will be actually I will use for copying the text and other things. It will I will show you everything. Just it will be alright. Okay. We need to set that area anchor point. Okay. Okay. Mm, so we were here, and what you're doing is your animation, and this is our layers, and this is our trigger main, and we want to set all of them inside this trigger. We want to make a child of this trigger. Okay, so this is now here, and because it scales down, we need to adjust it. Just make it 0 0. This is 0, and this is 0. Okay, let's adjust it to here, to here, to here. Okay, so we have adjusted this area, and we need to set to that area also. So let's move forward with other construction thing. So this is our designer, that there we have created our animation, and here in the graph we will create our logic. So let's start uh, how we gonna do that. Okay, first we need to bring this animation, uh, and we need to create our functions, play and forward function, sorry, forward and reverse functions, so that we can operate from reality. So how we gonna do that? Let's create that now. This is our animation, trigger animation, that is running here. So we need to get this, we need to get it here. Okay, so this is our trigger animation, and from here what we want to do is to define it. So first uh, we want to just play animation in a forward direction. This is our forward direction, and just copy and paste, just copy and paste, and do this in a reverse one. Okay, we have this forward and we have this reverse, so both are coming from this target. The target is the same because the animation we have created in this variable. Now we need to create our function that will allow this animation to play sorry, forward and reverse, to play forward and in a reverse direction. So we need to create custom event, custom event, and that event will be I will just keep it for forward, and another one would be reverse. Okay, this will play this one, this will play this one, and this one play, this one, so we will have this. But the thing is, if we will go by this, if we will we are creating now the logic that will play almost in every frame, because it will be on event tick. Okay, so we need to create a way to uh, we need to actually we need to see the animation is working or not before, because when you will play from here, and we need to check that animation is already working or not. So we need to do some check here. This is the variable, actually I will create from it. This is the ball we have. We need to check uh, is animation is animation playing. Okay, this is our variable. This will allow us to check our animation is playing or not. This is a boolean. So what we are going to do, if this is already playing, we don't want to do anything. Okay, but if it's not playing, we want to play it. So this way we will have a control of our animation. So now we need to do the branch take the boolean, and you can this is a condition that you go, if you want to check the condition, you can go by this branch. And what we are saying, this is true. If this is true, we don't want to play because it's already playing its me. So if it is false, we want to play it. Okay, first, if it is false, we need to set our is playing animation to true. Okay, because it's playing. If it is not playing, we need to set it to true so that it can play this animation. And the same thing we will do it here. We will create our we will take our variable, and we will do the branch, and we will see that if our animation now is playing. Okay, because what we are saying that if it is true, we don't want to play that is playing. But if it's not true, if it's not playing, we want to play it. Now our animation is playing. Okay, we need to see that the reverse functionalities, to apply reverse functionalities, if our animation is already playing right now, so we need to go by true. Okay, because it's playing. Okay, so now we need to set our variable, sorry, we need to set our variable, and we need to play in the reverse one because it's playing, it's already playing, and we need to reverse it. Okay, so this is our functionalities to reverse and forward. This is our event that we have created. It's a small one. And okay, now we need to create functions so that we can operate from reality. Now we have this function that will allow us to play from reality. This is play forward, play for- play forward, and another one we need play reverse. In this we will call our reverse function, okay, and in this we will call our forward function. So now we will have control on play forward and play reverse. So this is our uh, animation part. If you want, you can just name it play forward and play forward and reverse. Put underscore. Okay, this is our play forward and reverse functionalities that we have done. So now we have this. Now we need to come after our container. This part's law of the logic is done. Okay, one more thing we have, this we will create later. Okay, now I'm going to the reason I'm creating this. So I want to, because some of the functionalities that we have here in our this blueprint in Tigger, they all are it's not easy to understand for the user, so that we can handle things, okay, we can understand things. So the thing I will do, I will create functions of everything, and I will uh, I will go by the I will sorry uh, we will control those functions from the sequencer. So we will create our sequence, and we will have bunch of functions here. So you will have an idea what what is actually how the ticket logic is actually working. So I will create each and everything from the beginning, as I said. So in this way you would know, you could have an idea, or maybe it will be easier for you to understand how those functions are working. It doesn't matter which one is fire, because they all are the same. It will fire at the same time. So we are going to construct our ticker actually. Okay, this is the construction of our ticker. So we need to uh, we want to construct it. So bunch of functions we will create, and that will be our uh, construction part of the ticker. This construction part, we need to do each and everything in this container right now, because this container we need to fill it, and we need to fill it by our we need to fill it by our item. Okay, okay, we didn't set up our item right now. Okay, let's set up our item first, then we will go here. We will do we will construct our container. So this is the item we have to, set it. So set this up, we need horizontal box. Okay, or we can have canvas panel, because this is our screen size, and horizontal box. And in this horizontal box we want to construct our text, and it should be, or it filling this part in this direction. Okay, so we are filling it horizontally and fill align vertically. So this is the things we need to fill it. And okay, this is our text that we are going to construct when on one time. Okay, and we need another thing, just a spacer. I don't want here, I want it after that text. So this spacer will have the size. Okay. After that spacer we need our image, drag it here. Yes, we need this size to content, and the size to content we will have this. Why this to look? Yeah, it's not too big, I think it's good. The size is good. Oh, this size is actually small. This is good. So this will come after this spacer. Okay, sorry, after this spacer. This is our spacer, and this is our text. I need to size it. Yes. Okay, that's good. The reason we need to take it because our text, I don't know how long it is, so we need to fill it horizontally in the right direction. So we will keep this one, and vertical alignment is good. Just type default text, construct construct or you see. Just need to move this. Yeah, this one is good. Why it's not in this box? Yeah, okay. I forgot to check on this text, this horizontal, this one, because it should take this whole thing. Now if you go, yeah, it's good now. So construction, Ructio. We have this, and we have after that this spacer, and then we have in our image, and then we need another spacer, so that the another text when it will generate, it will take that space also. So this is our construction item that we will construct here. So just keep it like that, then we will see after that if we need to do anything else in here. We can make animation also, that when we play this construction, that text come up, sorry, come on the screen from the down part, and it's come up like that. But just keep it like that, and then go back to our container here, and we need to create function. First we need to construct our ticket, this part, the one we have just created, this part. So we will create a function for that. It will call construction const sorry, I'm bad at the spell. Construct construction. Okay. Okay. First we need to create our ticker, and then we need to construct the text, because we need to tell it where we want to construct. Okay, first we need to generate our ticker, sorry, we need to create our ticker on runtime, create ticker, uh, create widget. Yes, we need to create it first, and the widget we want to create it on runtime. It will our my item widget, and we want to save this as a variable, and this will be our ticker underscore back, so that we can have we will use later our because I'm saving it, because I want to keep clean, so that easier for you to understand. And then after that we need to construct our text, actually construct object from class, that allow you to do this, sorry, this text construction. Okay, this is actually object, and we are going after this text block, this text block, this text box we will get it here, sorry, in this area. So what we will do, we will say text block this text block that I have showed you there, and it takes a target. Okay, it's asking where you wanna which text box, which text box. It's been that which container. It's asking for this actually. Uh, Sorry, what is saying that object reference outer owner of the construction. Okay, owner of the constructed object. It asking which owner it is on this part, this construction of the text. So we want to construct it on our container. Okay, this is the owner of this text box. So we will take, we are now in our MyTicker UMG, and this is our container that is actually horizontal box, and we will we will make it a owner of this text block. And where is our container? I didn't make a variable for it. Yes, it's not showing, that's why. So this will be our container owner. Okay, now this will go on. Now we will have this, and we want to save this also. Promote to variable, and this will be our construction text block, or a box. So you will have understanding, so that's why I'm keep the same name. What we are actually doing, this is our container, and actually what it takes, as I said, I will explain you one more time. This is saying that owner of the constructed object. We want to construct this object, we want to construct this text, actually my item img. This is here, and it's asking that where to put this text, who will be the owner of this text block. So we are saying we want to put this text in our horizontal box, actually in this container, and we are saving it here, so that we actually I want to use it. The reason I am saving this in a variable, as I said, we will create functions, and this will allow us to keep things clean for you to understand it. This is now our construction of the ticker. Okay, uh, I think I already have taken a lot of time, perhaps, yeah, 30 minutes. So I will keep this in another video, another part, because I want you to understand it. It's already taken about 30 minutes, and it will be long. So I want to stop it here, and I will continue it after that. So see you in the next one. So please, when I upload this one, watch it and try to understand it, so that it will be easier for you to understand things, in my opinion, because I will keep clean, and I will keep explaining each and everything, so that you can understand it. Okay guys, have a nice day, take care, see you soon.